Hello folks, John here at E.C.D Auto Design. Today I'm going to bring out to you what's been new and exciting during the month of June here at E.C.D. As you can tell, we've got a lot going on here, so lots to show today. As the company continues to grow and expand, we've seen a great demand on our boutique and gallery programs. For those folks who are looking for partial restorations or a truly bespoke experience, here at E.C.D. Our feature build for this month is a stunning Togo Brown 1972 Blazer that was also built to a client's specifications with a beautiful distressed interior and original accents all throughout. The orange stripes on the outside truly make this car very special. Perfect car to drive around the summer or for fun on weekends. Now we'll be also introducing for the first time our Founder Series, which is a series of videos that you can find on our YouTube channel where one of our company founders, Scott Wallace, will walk you through the line and also give you an update on what's been happening here at E.C.D. Now, of course, we're in the full swing of summer and everyone's bringing out their classics. We're seeing more and more of the classic vehicles than ever before around Nantucket, South Florida, Scottsdale, and LA. Some of the most popular models that you'll see out there are convertible Mustangs, Blazers, and Defenders, of course. And if you're looking for a great car to enjoy this summer, we got two perfect vehicles available in stock. Project Raven, which is a Defender 90 soft top in a bright blue metallic color. Also, we have a 1972 Blazer painted in bright blue with a white interior that looks absolutely stunning. That will be perfect to enjoy this time of year. Now, as I mentioned earlier, our gallery program keeps growing. This month, we're showcasing a 1976 Ford F250 that was brought to a new level by our team here at E.C.D. Now, remember, through our gallery program, we offer paint, upholstery, powertrain conversions, sound and technology, as well as performance upgrades. Now, at the moment, we also have our very first Toyota FJ coming off the production line very soon. The car is absolutely amazing, painted in a dark blue with tan interior. It has a very aggressive stance and it's an E.C.D built through and through. Now next, we're going to have an amazing Defender 110 crew cab that's still in the works, but it's got an orange metallic exterior like no other were built before, and I'm sure that you'll get excited once you see it. Now our product highlight of the month is definitely the interior of Project Wizardry. The entire dash, doors, seats, console, all wrapped up in Napa tobacco leather, along with tan stitching, diamond quilt on the seats, and wood paneling in the cargo area. It gives the interior a feel of timeless elegance, while some of the wood accents and metal elevates the interior to a new level. Now, the client who designed Project Wizardry was heavily influenced by heritage-style Defenders from the 1980s. So he wanted to keep some of those elements in play, like the light green and white top, matching wheels, but at the same time wanted to integrate a more modern and elegant interior to it. And I think he kept the perfect balance with all the elements that he chose for Project Wizardry. Coming up next, we have another wonderful 1972 Blazer painted in ochre and white that's going to look like nothing else we've built before. Well, as you can see, we've had a lot going on this month. As E.C.D continues to grow and provide new services and products, we will always make sure that you're up to speed with everything that is new and exciting every month here at E.C.D. Of course, we always have the highest commitment to craftsmanship and one-of-one vehicles, and we appreciate you following along and watching. Now, don't forget to subscribe to our social media channels, explore our inventory if you're looking for something available now, or give us a call if you'd like to start your new build. Thanks again for watching. Bye for now.